there's the engine. It's a 5.3, moderately built bag with some Patriot headers, heads done, new gasket, new seals. Was it F1 Camaro oil pan, new milling oil pump, new seals, Truck Norris cam, new lifters, trunnion upgrade, tri-meter. No, that's Hector. He even got a hat. He's there. Got all the parts. This is what we were working on today. We boxed in the plates. Got that in 4 steps. This is the 4-link triangular suspension. I'm thinking I should have went to a parallel because the differential is a little off to the side. That's a 48.8, 373 gears, full posi lock. Of course, the mocking of wood and rope. That's where the gas tank gonna go. But yeah, there's my hoodie. But it's getting there. It's definitely a work in progress. It's 2024. It's been a few years. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of money invested. Originally came out in 21. It's been a few years. It's not easy or cheap, especially when you have it in a condition such as mine. But it has a title.